saying the spring she will be getting a new battery. Hey, this is Mike, Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. Today, we're going to take a cruise. There's a couple of bikers. I saw them earlier riding those bikes. So they've been tooling around Cuba, Missouri earlier today. Right now, we're in St. James, Missouri. We're going to head east on 68-8. We're heading to Stillville today, but it is November 25th and the temperature is about 70 degrees today. So we're getting out and enjoying this weather, and I'm sure all my friends that ride are doing the same thing if they can. I saw a few posts by a few friends earlier on Facebook who were getting some wind therapy in. We're holding on to this weather as long as we can. I know they're predicting a terribly cold winter, but so what are we going to talk about today? We talk about this helmet setup. This is my 4th iteration of a vlogging helmet. The last couple weeks I tried a full face, I tried an open face with a different mic, I tried an open face with this mic in a different camera position, which I did not like at all. And now we're trying this mic, which I think I've settled on as being the mic, and a more centered helmet position for the camera. Hey bro. So I think this camera and mic setup is going to work fine for those times when I want to do a first-person camera vlog aspect. And then other times I may just wear this mic with the half helmet and no first-person camera. So we'll just have to see how this baby rolls. I'll show you some pictures of the different helmet setups I've done. See what you guys think of those. We'll throw in some clips here from each different setup, then come back to this one that I have, I think, settled on. Hopefully we're done. We have a few more things to try. We're going to put a mic on the camera I have fixed on the rear of the bike, because I think that'll pick up exhaust sounds and stuff really well. Engine noise, all that's going to push back that direction with the wind pushing it. So if I need to put engine noise in with some background noise, I'll have some pure engine tracks without my audio. Thinking I've got my gear pretty close to where I want it. I got a 5 session up here on the bars pointed at me for that look at me, I'm talking to you viewpoint. Then I've got the helmet cam so you can see what I'm looking at if I'm looking at something we can't pick up from one of the other cameras. The helmet camera is a GoPro 4 black. A lot of people really rave on the audio in the GoPro 4s. It doesn't have image stabilization, which isn't a big deal when it's mounted on your head. Your neck does that for you. We have down there by my right foot off the highway bar is a GoPro 7 black, because generally it's going to be shit in front of us that we want to film, but sometimes I like to change it up. I get some footage from stuff behind me. I have a GoPro 5 on the black today. That's a new test we're going to run. and it's got a mic adapter, so I'm going to run the mic off of that eventually for engine sounds and see how that works. And it's cabled up to a battery tender type setup that gives me power off of the battery all the time. So that camera is powered even when the bike's not running. The camera down here in front is powered as long as the bike is running. The camera on the handlebars is battery operated. We carry a battery pack. We can take that camera off, throw it in the saddlebag, and charge it off of a battery pack. We're going to do the same with the helmet camera. We may even put it in a different case. It's in a skeleton style frame case right now, not a weatherproof case. That makes it a little more of a pain in the butt to take on and off the bike. With the weatherproof cases, you pop a hatch, swing the door open, and pull it out. So we'll just have to see. I do ride in the rain occasionally. I do not pull off just because it gets wet. You know, I don't necessarily plan a ride in a monsoon, but I don't let the weather dictate what I do a whole lot. Sometimes it may dictate what vehicle I take, but we've got a ride planned and it's going to be nasty. We just gear up for it. What do you guys do? Now that we've watched all those clips of the different helmet setups, you tell me which one you like the best. Hey, hopefully the wind noise ain't too bad on this camera. So, that was my first attempt at a motovlog video. Well, at least my first attempt at a motovlog video on my street glide. I did ride my girlfriend's Dyna a couple of weeks ago, and I already posted a video of that with that helmet setup, testing the mic. So maybe technically that's my first motovlog. I don't know. What do you think? I'll put a link to that video up here, and you can check that out if you want. If you thought this was cool and I should do more of these, make sure you leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. If you do YouTube, I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day. Be safe and keep on riding.